Hi everyone, today we're going to find slope using the slope formula. You've had this formula throughout your year in 8th grade with me. This is our slope formula. Remember, it is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. It's really important that you put those y's over the x. When you did it on a graph, you used rise over run. Well, those are your y values. I did put down a little example right here so that you could see one kind of worked out. Notice that your x1, y1 comes first. That is your first point. And then your x2, y2 comes second. That is the second point. It's color-coded for you. It makes it nice so that you can refer back to it or pause it and use it for your problems, okay? Next, let's do a couple of problems together. You're going to be given a table or you're going to be given coordinates. In a table, choose two of the points to use. So this is one coordinate and this is another one. If you need to, write them out like the example right above, okay? But this will be my x1 and this will be my x2. This is my y2 and my y1. So I have 4 minus 9 over 2 minus 0. I'm going to work this top part first. You can use a calculator. And then I'm going to work the bottom one. 4 minus 9 is negative 5. 2 minus 0 is 2. There is my answer. Done. That's all it wants from you. Go to number 2. I'm going to choose 2 points. You can choose any 2 points, but the first ones are usually pretty easier. This is your x1, your y, or your x2, my bad, and your y1 and your y2. So I have 5 minus 3 over 1 minus 0. 5 minus 3 gives you 2. 1 minus 0 gives you 1. You can leave it like that, but it will be written as a 2 in any answer choices that you have. All right, be sure you can pause, rewind if I'm going too fast. Number 3. Now this table is sitting upright. It looks a tiny bit different from the other tables. This is one coordinate and this is another one that I'm going to use. Your x1 and x2 are now on the left side. Your y1 and y2 are on the right side. So I'm going to say 4 minus 5 over 1 minus 0. 4 minus 5 is negative 1. Again, you could use a calculator. 1 minus 0 is 1. You get negative 1 as your slope. You will see more of this type, okay? You'll see a couple that are laying on their side, but you'll see more that are up and down, like this table here. Now, if you are given just 2 points, in the classroom, I would tell you right underneath it or above it, you're going to write down your x1, y1, and your x2, y2 to make sure that you fill it in good, okay? So it's y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. When you do this, if you're minusing a negative like this, it's really like you're adding them. So I get 8 and I get 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Again, you could use a calculator for that part. On this one, again, write your x1, y1, and your x2, y2. Okay, so 7 minus 5, negative 4 minus negative 7. My y's are always on the numerator. So 7 minus 5 is 2. If you don't know how to do this bottom part because you don't remember integers, go to a calculator and type it in. But these two show now addition. You get 3 as your denominator. That will be your answer. Okay, take it apart. Do the top section first, and that's how we got 2. Do the bottom section, and that's how we'll get a 3. If you're typing it into your calculator, you're going to put negative 4 minus negative 7 into your calculator, and it will still give you 3. Okay, if you want to do it by hand, those turn into plus signs. All right. Okay, well, if you have questions, shout out, give me an email. Y'all have a great day.